What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Brings Vice Mayor Nancy Metayer Bowen.
Her husband now charged with her murder as we learn the shocking admission that he apparently made about a possible motive. 10's Ray Ramos is live in Coral Springs today with the very latest. Roy.
Calvin and Nicole, on that person who he allegedly confessed to then went to police. That person telling police that the suspect allegedly told him that he shot and killed his wife because he couldn't take it anymore.
Mr. Bowen, good morning, sir. You're charged with 1 count first-degree premeditated murder. You're also charged with 1 count tampering with or fabricating physical evidence.
No bond for 40-year-old Stephen Bowen, who faced a Broward County judge Thursday, a day after his wife, Coral Springs Vice Mayor Nancy Metayer Bowen, was found dead inside their home.
The court does find probable cause for the charges.
The tragic discovery all came after the Vice Commission meeting Wednesday. Police said after text messages were made to her husband by the commission manager as to where she may be, investigators said Bowen responded, texted her. She's not picking up. Where is she? Her car is not at home. Investigators said Bowen confessed to his uncle that he shot his wife because he couldn't take it anymore. His uncle went to investigators who then made their way inside of the vice mayor's home. It's there she was found wrapped in a blanket and trash bags after being shot and killed.
This is being investigated as a domestic violence incident. Her husband, Stephen Bowen, is in our custody.
While Bowen is accused in his crimes, Vice Mayor being remembered for public service and contributions to her community.
It's a devastating, loss, not just for Coral Springs, but for the people of Broward County.
She cared about students. She cared about seniors. She cared about the environment. She cared about fairness. She cared about equality. She cared about her culture.
Vice Mayor Metayer Bowen, a leader and a voice for so many. Her sudden death devastating colleagues and community leaders. State Representative Ashley Gant sharing a past text message the two shared with one another that read, "Love you and keep holding the line." Florida Congressman Jared Moskowitz posting on X to say he was just with her Saturday, calling her a fighter and sharing that she was preparing to announce her run for Congress. But it is her family now bearing the weight of her loss, writing in part, "While so many knew her as a leader and advocate, we knew her as a sister, a daughter, and a friend. Her legacy lives on in the lives she touched."
Tonight, a rising star in Florida politics is dead, and her husband charged with her murder. Stephen Bowen was arrested Wednesday after police say they found the body of his wife, Nancy, at their home. Nancy Bowen was the vice mayor of Coral Springs, Florida. After she missed city meetings, officers went to her home for a wellness check, according to the affidavit, which says her body was found wrapped in blankets along with 3 spent shotgun shells. That same day, Stephen Bowen knocked on an unidentified person's door, according to the affidavit, and asked that person to hold on to a shotgun for him. He then admitted that he shot his wife 3 times with a shotgun the previous night and then slept downstairs. Nearby, a pillow with burn marks fashioned as a makeshift silencer. Asked why, Stephen Bowen said that he couldn't take it anymore. Today, Bowen appearing before a judge who ordered him to be held without bond.
The court does find probable cause for the charges.
Tonight, Nancy Metayer Bowen is being remembered as a trailblazer. The 38-year-old was the first Black and Haitian American woman elected to the Coral Springs Commission.
She was always smiling, always smiling.
Wenda Tima was a close friend.
She was one of the good ones because she cared. She cared, and she didn't just care about the community that she came from. She cared about everyone. She cared about making a difference.
Bowen was said to be eyeing a run for Congress tonight, remembered by her family as a sister, a daughter, and a friend whose laughter filled every room.
Guys, you all hear the news. Yes, April 1st, as we call it, April Fool's Day. But it wasn't any fool or foolish into this situation. After the vice mayor of Florida City, Coral Spring, was found unalive in her home, in her Coral Spring home, wrapped in trash bag. Her husband have been arrested and charged with her murder. Guys, it's too much now. It's going on too much, at least every week, every day. You turn the news on, you look in the newspaper, you look all over, there is a woman a woman, a lady, a mother, a wife, a sister, a brother, not a brother, a cousin, a auntie, is unalive by the person who she decided to spend the rest of her life with, the person who she put the trust in. However, that person believed that this is it. This is the time for you to leave the earth. Now, guys, what I'm really going to talk about is domestic violence. Yeah? Domestic violence is getting out of hand. I'm not a psychiatrist and I'm not a doctor. So whatever I'm speaking here or whatever I'm saying, it's my opinion. Yes, it's my opinion. I am not a doctor. I did not go to school for these things. These things is my opinion. But viewers and subscribers, it is really and truly getting out of hand and it's getting very serious. I want you all to take heed. I want you all to think of it like it is at your doorstep. Stop look at it as it is just another day. Look at it as it is at your doorstep. Something happened to somebody in your family and you need somebody to hold you, somebody to talk to you. Don't look at it as it's just another day. Every single day, a woman is going through cyberbullying. Cybercrime, bullying, controlling, manipulation, and all other sort of elements. Every single day, women is going through these things. What is the solution? What is the solution? Now, this beautiful young lady have a strong hold on life. A strong hold on life. Everybody have all kind of good things to say about her. She helped the kids, she helped the community. She's planning on running for a bigger section in parliament because she is very good in parliament politics. Now, her husband, who unalive her, walked to the neighbor, to a friend, to say, this is the shotgun that I use to unalive my wife. And guys, this man unalived this lady in the upstairs bedroom and went downstairs to sleep while his wife is upstairs. Dead. Think about that. You can unalive somebody who thought you loved them, somebody who thought you care about them. However, you went downstairs and fall asleep. Asleep. So you already make up your mind. You already transition your mind into where your life is going to be. What about her families? What about her friends? What about the people that she's ready to serve? What about the people that she's serving? What about the people who looking for her to do things? What about the people who she's helping? But your word from your mouth is that you cannot take it anymore. My question to you is, If you cannot take it anymore, what about your life? What about your life? Why take hers and leave yours? That's my question to all these people. Why take hers and leave yours? Are you that coward? Are you afraid? Or you just want to be strong, powerful? Viewers and subscribers, Coral Spring Police, Brady Mac, said at a news conference that was ongoing, no threat to the public. Yeah, Miss Bowen, Nancy Bowen, she was only 38 years old. She was only 38 years old. She was the first black and Asian American woman to hold that seat on the city commission. What a good girl. What a powerful young lady. 38 years old. First Asian American black to hold that seat on the city commission. There's a lot of good things to say about her. A lot. Guys, I will be coming back with more news and information when I get them about this situation, because I'll be following up on this one. This one is a little bit too much. We have to stop domestic violence. We have to stop domestic abuse. We have to let it go. If you cannot take it anymore, walk away. If you cannot take it anymore, walk away. There is ways and times and place to walk away. My viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to the other video. As you on this video, like this video, share this video, comment on the video, react to the video, share the video. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Bye-bye.